I don't know where the camera's going to go. Hi.
Hi there.
How are you?
I'm good.
We were looking to see if you were around the building somewhere. So
Nope,
do you want
I'm
me to go
in
over here so that
Florida.
I'm on the camera?
Yeah. Hi, Carol.
Hey,
I don't know if Leah is coming.
I haven't heard anything.
So I don't know how we handle this because we are live streaming already, by the way, and recording. So
Okay.
we don't technically have a quorum, but because we don't have Abby.
Yeah. Did Leo respond to the
No.
invite?
Mm-mm.
So basically what we want to do is have this committee, me and Leo, ask the council or make a recommendation to the council to accept the audit.
Yeah.
Can you just present
I
it
mean, I can still
not as a
present
recommendation, but
I
just
can
as,
still present the audit, and then you guys could do a recommendation later.
Yeah.
or the council votes on it, not coming
Or
as
the
a
council can
recommendation.
just-
Can you do that? I don't know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's start and just say we're going to start. So we're starting the audit committee meeting. It is January 13th at 4:52. We have Counselor Bright, Tanya Moffett from Marina and Company, Misty Hess, our senior accountant, and me, Lauren Breithaupt, the finance director. We do not have a quorum. We have Abby Farber's term ended at the end of December. And I'm not sure if Counselor Broner is coming or not. So we just decided that we're going to move forward and talk about it, but I guess we will, and then Tanya can recommend it. Realize that we didn't have a quorum at the audit committee meeting. Okay, go ahead, Tanya.
And the
So
audit committee is a subset of the council. So if the council, after your presentation, wants to approve it tonight or accept it tonight, I think that's fine.
Okay, perfect.
So we completed our audit of the financial statements and related disclosures for the city of West Lynn and issued our report on December 18th, 2025. Our opinion for the financial statement was a clean or an unmodified opinion, which is the highest level of a financial statement opinion that we can give. We did apply limited procedures to the MD&A as well as in the required supplementary information section, the PERS and pension part, because that is, we don't express an opinion on that. Same with the introductory section and the other financial schedules and statistical section. We do not express an opinion on that. We do express an in relation to opinion on the required supplementary information budget to actual schedules, as well as the supplementary information budget to actual schedules, as well as combining schedules too. The city did receive the annual comprehensive financial report award from the GFOA for the June 30, 2024 audit, and we anticipate that the city will also receive it for the June 30, 2025 year. There was no restrictions placed on our audit scope, no significant difficulties incurred during the course of the audit, and there were no disagreements with management. What's the name? Let's see.
It's the copy list.
Okay. There was one new accounting policy, which is GASB 101, which changed the compensated absences. So if you're looking at compensated absences, that number is going to be significantly different. And there was a prior period adjustment for that as well. Management's judgment and accounting estimates were found to be standard and nothing unusual with them. There was one uncorrected misstatement with the total financial statement effect of $25,000, which was an overstated lease liability. There were no material misstatements noted for proper presentation of the financial statement. In some cases, management may decide to consult with other accountants, and there were no such consultations. We also have a report required by Oregon state regulations, and it is located on page 133, or in the PDF, it's 143 out of 148, where we tested the city for compliance with Oregon minimum standards for items such as collateral, indebtedness, budget, insurance and fidelity bonds, programs funded from outside sources, highway funds and investments, and public purchasing contracts. And we had no findings on any of those. We appreciated the opportunity to complete the last financial statement audit that we are doing for the city of Westland, and have appreciated working with the audit committee, the city council, as well as city staff, and specifically these two ladies sitting to my right over the years. So
Yeah, we appreciate it too. To clarify on the uncorrected misstatement, I thought we did correct that. It was just that you were the ones who did.
that we found it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we did end up correcting it. It was an issue with, we were recording the lease for the water tower as we weren't figuring out the amortization, because the lease asset and liability technically should be different. And we had been recording it as the same over the years. And so they pointed out that we should have been amortizing it differently based off of the interest rates.
Yeah. Sorry, it was corrected. I don't know. My notes.
It's okay. So we did correct it. It just wasn't.
We found it.
Yeah.
Cool. I don't have any questions because I kind of know what you go through. When I started in government accounting, though, it was GASB 34. So that's why I retired.
When I started, that's what we were doing as well. So yeah,
Good time.
just fun stuff.
Yeah.
So thanks, Carol.
Thank you so much, Carol, for being here.
Absolutely.
And we'll have Tanya make the presentation tonight, and I think it should be pretty easy peasy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like I said, I think as the audit committee is kind of a subset, although we do have the citizen component of it, but it's a subset of the council. So after your presentation, I feel like if the council is satisfied, they can accept the audit. And that was one thing that I always said when I was working, is you're not really approving the audit. You don't get to do that.
Yeah.
You're accepting it. So
Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you, Carol. We'll see you shortly.
all right.
Thanks. Have a